everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to another day in my 2022 holiday card series. Today we are making a slimline card featuring more die cuts and paper from Doodlebug. I love this one so very much, I may keep it. Like, if you haven't seen it up in the Etsy shop or whatever, then that means I kept it because it's just so cute. It's just so cute. It was really pretty simple to come together. I do use a die cut, like an actual die, and cut out a background, but the rest of it came together really quickly. We added some dimension, we added some glitter because hello, it's me. But yeah, so before I take you to the craft table, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I am uploading a holiday card every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Nope, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Again, nope, 8 a.m. Central. Oh my word, I apologize. I've filmed like 10 of these intros in a row. That's why you've seen me look the exact same. Anywho, subscribe. I'm uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Central until Christmas Day. After that, we will leave Christmas behind and work on other things. But you guys know I love the holidays. This is my favorite time of year, and these are some of my favorite cards to make. So let's head over to the craft table and I'll walk you through this really fun and cute card. And like I said, if you don't see it show up on Etsy, that's because it stayed here. So this card is actually going to go pretty fast. You may recognize these images from a card I did not too long ago, but I had this tree and pile of packages, and then I had this tree and another pile of packages. So I just kind of split them up, decided which ones I wanted to go with each card, and then we're going to be making a slimline version today because that is the one that hasn't been made yet. So this slimline piece was cut out using the Slimline Essentials from Catherine Pooler. I just had it on the side. I hadn't used it, and I thought this would be the perfect card to use this on. So we're going to be doing some things are going to be adhered flat. Some things are going to be adhered with adhesive, dimensional adhesive. But first I'm going to do my card base. So my card base measures 7 by 8.5, and then I scored it at 3.5. You can see I cut it a little wrong. Story of my life. When does that not happen? So I'm going to go ahead and adhere the white part the red part with just regular tape runner. And I also adhered the tree down with regular tape runner as well. And as I said, some of these are going to be adhered flat. Some of them are going to be popped up. I really was most excited about the cute little toys. I mentioned in another video that they kind of remind me of the Island and Misfit toys. That was the one with the cute little elephant. I did find some Misfit toy clip art. I haven't had a chance to pick it up yet, so hopefully I will get that done before the end of this series. If not, it'll be on the list for next year. Or if you come back on Tuesday, you'll find out why it may be something we make before the next holiday card series. So there will be a bonus video for you guys Tuesday at 8 a.m. Of course, you're still going to get a video on Monday. This is just a bonus for you. So where these are kind of overlapping, I'm adding dimension on one side and then regular tape on the other. It's really just kind of like a puzzle and deciding what goes where. I didn't want the same colors touching each other, and then in the end, it kind of worked out that way anyway. Again, not on purpose, but it's just how the cookie crumbled a little bit. This is probably one of the funner cards that I made using these. I love all the cards I made, but this one was especially fun because it just felt like I was actually putting presents underneath the tree. That's my favorite part of Christmas, is seeing presents underneath the tree, even if they're not for me. Just seeing all of the presents underneath the tree. I hate wrapping. Was that 2014? It was either 2014 or 2015. Rob and I adopted a family with our local Head Start. It must have been 2013 or 14. I don't remember. And I basically bought an entire family, the mom and 3 little ones, clothes. I bought the mom like sheets and blankets, got him a Christmas tree, got him clothes, got him toys. It took me about 3 days to get it all wrapped, but that was probably one of my funnest Christmas memories ever. Just being able to provide that for a family in need. They didn't even have a Christmas tree. And I felt so sorry for that mom. And the family advocate that helped me pick one, he was like, she's working, she's doing what she can to make ends meet. And the poor baby, he just wanted a bicycle. That's all he wanted. He just wanted a bicycle. That was the only thing he asked for Christmas. So he got a bike and he got a few other things, but I know not everybody's able to do that. And it's really hard. When I taught first grade, I taught in a very rural school. And that whole entire year, I saved up all of my Scholastic points. That way I could get the entire class a set of 3 or 4 paperback books, like just books from Scholastic. And I did that all of the years that I taught. That ended up being what they got for Christmas. So even if they didn't get to open a present at home, at least they got to open one from me. And yeah, I can't think about it because it'll make me cry. It's just, you never really take into account those things. It's like hindsight is 2020, like, asking kids what they got for Christmas or what Santa brought them, and having some kids, oh, I got a game machine or whatever, and other babies either not getting anything, or they got one thing, or they just got clothes. And it's just, I think it's something that as adults we don't really take into consideration. And I think a lot of teachers don't really think about it, and maybe some do, but I know, because it's like, you don't want anybody to feel left out. But when a baby sees or hears that, someone got an Xbox and they got new sneakers, I don't know. I don't know. I think growing up poor and then teaching in some poor populations really made me more aware of that fact. But anywho, you knew I had to add some shimmer. So I added some Nuvo pen to all of the presents, and I'm adding some Nuvo drops to the ornaments, but also to the star. So that's it. Simple, quick, fun, really easy to recreate. If you missed it, Doodlebug has linked their new collection, and I cannot wait. Anyway, friends, I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces. I'll see you Monday for another video. Bye for now.